What's up, mi gente? On this episode of Baro in the City, we're up here on the rooftop and we're making burgers and smashing freezies. All right, so mira, everybody loves a good burger. This is my version of our Parilla burger that we do at Baro on the rooftop patio. Ground beef, in this case, it's brisket and chuck. We season it with salt and pepper, hit it with a little bit of oil, and it goes on the grill, right? I leave it kind of fat just so it can stay nice and juicy. It takes about 15 minutes to cook and with a little bit of a rest. We put some cheese on it, melt it down, right? Then we have our potato bun, which we grill. Then we top it with a little bit of chimichurri mayonnaise, shredded lettuce, tomato, and guacamole. Let's get to it. Got our ground beef. Then I gotta squish them out. It's a nice fat piece of meat. So I want to make sure some of the salt is going to get inside. Then I'll take it and kind of work it around and make my ball again. Once it's seasoned, I put a little bit of oil and we go to the grill. Here at Baro, we cook on wood and charcoal, right? I fired this bad boy up about an hour ago. It's nice and hot, right? A little bit of oil on my burger. And you want to hear it, right? I want to cook it on full high heat, so I can sear it up, and then I'll move it to a kind of lower spot so it kind of cooks a little bit slower and it doesn't burn. So this is a great burger to have if you're just hanging out at home, couple people on a Monday, Tuesday night, chilling on your patio, and you have a barbecue. Boom, here you at, Parilla burger. All right, so check it out. The burger's been on for about 6-7 minutes now. And as you can see, the blood's starting to come up a little bit, right? So it tells me my burger's starting to kick at medium rare, right? I want to take it to about medium. At this point, I'll put my cheese on. And now I'll take this guy off the heat and let him sit for about 2-3 minutes. While I'm doing that, I'll build my burger. Personally, I like to toast the bun because it's giving me another layer, right? You still want to try to achieve that crunch to squish ratio. That's going to give you another little crunch. Our burger's rested. Our bun is toasted. And we start building, okay? A little bit of guacamole on the bottom, a couple slices of tomato, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Our burger's nice and rested, a little bit of shredded lettuce, and we top it off with some chimichurri, and there you have it, the Parilla burger. All right, well that's a wrap for this episode of Baro in the City, where we made the Parilla burger here at Baro on the rooftop patio. Remember, keep your burger nice and juicy. I like to leave it fat and cook it medium. We toasted the bun. We let the burger rest with some cheese on it. In this case, we used some cheddar cheese, guacamole, and chimichurri mayo, shredded lettuce, and tomato. I'm about to smash this with a beer. Have a good day, guys. See you guys soon. Peace.